Hey, what's up YouTube? Back with another video. Got the MR2 running today. Got the throttle cable connected and everything, so it's time to go for a ride and just see how it feels, go through the gears and see, make sure there's no stuttering or nothing weird going on, so check it out. Probably got to adjust the throttle body a little bit, or throttle cable, I mean, because it's a little hard, but it feels good. Definitely got the torque. That was just over the third gear pull. So far, it feels so good, though. I mean, I ain't got no throttle body sticking, at least from the Ktuned one. That Ktuned one had so many problems and issues. Sputtering, backfiring, but this stock throttle body on here, it just feels good. Feels like how it should have been in the first place. Should have just tried to stay as stock as possible, guys, unless you're gonna have a tuned ECU, because aftermarket parts without a good ECU just, I don't know, they just don't act right. So far, like I said, it's feeling pretty good right now. Let's see if we can get a punch it real fast. Driver now, it's not all sputtering. You should say some pretty good gas mileage on it. As far as the car feels though, I mean, it feels good. I think MR2s and K series are perfect. You get the power straight to the wheels, other than having front wheel drive where you're spinning most of the time, trying to catch gears. I mean, this is first gear and it just gets out. So I mean, I just like the setup. It's a really good setup. For those who haven't been watching this build or anything, this is a K24 JDM out of the 06 to 08 TSX, which is it has the best cam you can get from the K series, better than Type R. So for the people that didn't know, I did start my Instagram. If you guys want to check that out, it's K Series Works. Just check it out. I'll follow back or whatever. I just started it a couple days ago, so it's still fresh. Also, if anybody has any questions or needs parts with anything, just let me know. You can also email me at honda.mike1988@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I usually check my emails pretty frequently, so shouldn't have any problems getting a hold of me. But for those who do want to do an MR2 K20 or K24 swap, it's definitely well worth it. From what I heard, the previous people who've done had the GTSE said that the K series was actually faster on like 17 pounds of boost. So just to let you know, I mean, boost isn't everything, you know, real power is. So with this being a 2.4, it's a real smooth drive. The kicks in good. With the TSX engine, there's still a lot of things you can do to it that come stock. Like on this car, I actually have the 06 to 11 intake manifold. It can still have a 50-degree VDC on here. I can still do Type S oil pump to waken up some power, and then obviously I can still go Honda or K-tuner if I wanted to get it tuned and release more power. So there's different variations to make more power out of this engine, but just how it sits now, it's just on a stock Type R ECU. A stock Type R ECU will run any K series. As far as it running good and perfect, probably won't be the best because Type R is, you know, it's real high compression. It's a high fuel, and their tune is different since they have a higher octane gas. So, but as far as if you're trying to get it just running, you don't want to spend Honda money. You just need a stock ECU. PRC is the way to go. Yeah, I mean it's just like a P28 from back in the day. It'll run any kind of setup just to get you on the road, at least if you're just trying to be a daily driver. So yeah, like I said, this car is basically ready to go. I'm not sure when we're going to install the S2000 cluster because I mean MR2 cluster is basically pointless. But as soon as I get that going, that'll be the next video, so I can show you guys how to wire up a cluster, a Honda cluster, into the MR2. I'm not sure what cluster I'm going to be running. I probably running the RSX cluster, but don't know for sure, so we'll see. So this thing's probably gonna need some spark plugs and stuff too, and gotta make sure I check all of my sensors and stuff. Still kind of acting a little weird, but it's basically there. I mean, it's way better than it was before. So. A little bit weaker cam, but less of an intake manifold, but it should kind of even those out with those parts alone. So we shall see on that how mine compares. Also, mine's going to be 6-speed. Now that I actually got the feeling of the 5 actually is kind of sluggish. Since it just puts the power to the wheels, it's a lot different than front wheel drive. So I guess my theory was wrong, putting a lower gear on a rear mid-engine car. Actually it's made it even longer, so you can run a 6-speed on this, I think, and have a pretty good gearing, so it's not too short. But as you can see, this car just runs really good. As far as daily, you know, I know some people are probably wondering what the check engine light is for, but it's for ELD, electronic load detector. I didn't hook that up. And I believe secondary O2 sensor, because that's not hooked up as well. So you don't really need them. Secondary O2 sensor or the ELD. But if you want to get rid of the check engine lights and you don't have a Honda, that's what you're going to have to live with. When you get Honda, you can eliminate all that stuff basically if you wanted to. So yeah, I mean, if you guys have it, subscribe and ring that notification so you guys can see as soon as I upload a video. You know, you won't have to guess or, you know, go looking around. So, you know, go ahead, watch, so share, and like, and that'll basically be the conclusion of this video. Let me know what you guys think of the MR2 build. Like I said, I got another one coming up, and some more builds coming soon. So I guess it's gonna be it, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned.